Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find products by categories in Ikea. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you can just look in the bottom of your screen and press on the search symbol there. Now you can just find different kind of categories here like desk, dresser, Kellex, bed frames. You can just select one and after that you will be able to find products only in this category. And you can just scroll down or apply filters depending what you are searching for, and you can just find what you want to find basically. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.